How to draw a histogram when the class sizes are unequal. For example, in the first column, the age group has unequal class intervals. So this is one of the example of unequal frequency distribution. In such a scenario, we need to find the adjusted frequency. The second column in the data is the actual frequency. The third column is something that we have calculated. It is the class size. For the first record, the class size is 5 minus 3. For the second record, the class size is 9 minus 5, that is 4. And likewise, we calculate the class size for each of these class intervals. The important thing to notice is that the class intervals are not of equal sizes, but the data is in continuous form. You can see that here it is ending at 5 and here it is starting at 5. The same applies for 9, and in the last record it is starting with 15. So it is a continuous distribution. But as the class sizes are not same, we need to calculate the adjusted frequency. The formula for adjusted frequency is the ratio of smallest class size, which is 1 in our case, upon the actual class size, that is 2, multiplied by the actual frequency, which is 30. Hence, for the first record, the adjusted count is 15. Similarly, for the second record, the smallest class size is 1, actual class size is 4, 1 upon 4 multiplied by actual frequency, that is 40. Hence, the adjusted frequency count is 10. The important aspect is why we are calculating adjusted count, so that there is a fair adjustment of the class frequencies. We can represent it in the form of a histogram. Here on the y-axis, we see adjusted frequency count. On the x-axis, we see the actual class groups. If you closely observe this, the width of these rectangular block is not same, but the adjustment of frequency has happened. Earlier, for the first record, the frequency was 30 and we changed it to 15 by adjusting the frequency. So this is the fair distribution of the data. In the second record also, earlier it was 40 and it is adjusted to 10 because the class size here is 4. While in the smallest class interval, the class size is 1. In order to do the fair data adjustment, we use adjusted frequencies. So that's how we represent histogram.